Hello everyone, I'm Deep Pavan Kumar, currently working as an intern in the Sparks Foundation from Data Science and Business Analytics domain, where I got goal as to exploratory data analysis over retail data. Let us come to know about my abstract. Yeah, this is my abstract. How to do exploratory data analysis over retail data. And my abstract is, if I am a business manager, how can I try to find the weak areas where the superstore getting low sales and low profit, like that weak area superstore branches, how to work on it, and where you can work to make more profit. This is my abstract, and also how to derive all the business problems by exploring the data. This is abstract. Let us jump into the project I have done. This is exploratory data analysis over retail data. First of all, exploratory data analysis means it's a processing of analyzing the data sets to summarize their main features using numerical and visual methods. Here I have done like this, started by importing libraries which are required for analysis. First of all, I have read the data. We have got variables here, and for every each variable there are description. For retail data, this is shape. There are almost 10,000 records and 13 columns. And the data types of variables are here. And because of some insignificant variable, we have dropped. And like this, we have checked duplicates and null values. After clearing them, we have visualized, so it clearly conclude that there are no null values, and have read a summary of data, and analyzed each categorical variable, each every categorical variable like ship mode, segment, city, state, region, category, subcategory, sales, quantity, each category variable till subcategory have derived it in a very nice visualization bar plots and some other plots, count plots. You have to look at this. Uh, uh, this is my visualization over categorical data, and describing how the business gone, superstore market business in all states. There are almost 49 states. It's all about data from USA superstore retail data. It's only from USA country, so I have deleted USA country column, uh, country column, and the states are 49. Each state contains like this number of superstore branches, and I have visualized it in a count plot and bar plot. This is region. There are four regions, and there are three types of categories, and there are uh, around in the three type of categories. There are so many subcategories visualized, and this is distribution of data, and this is a correlation for data. I've shown it in a heat map, and we have visualized it in a count plot for all categorical variable. Uh, we have by this categorical variable distribution, we have interpret that maximum shipment was through standard class. When we look at the regional west region takes the highest sales. When we see the subcategory, binders sold the most, and others followed by paper furnishing products from superstore. uh, Consumer segment was taken maximum sales, and this pair flat for numerical variables. Lower the sales, the profit is not certain, but it gives profit at where the sales is high. This is a region sales profit. It's a nice profit sales visualization. We have uh, done it very well. We are observing here clearly West takes a very fantastic sales and profit. Uh, West and East, South region doing not well. This is how visualization tells how much quantity have shipped from supermarket store. The highest amount is from California state, and New York is second, Texas is third. This is visualization for profit and sales. when discounts are like that. When discount between 15% to 30%, the maximum profit is 8,000 US dollars. So when we are giving 15% or 30% discount range, we'll get a more profit as according to the stats. Uh, when we give huge discounts, we are getting almost 6,000 plus US dollars all over the superstore branches. This is visualization for everything. This is a profit loss visualization where we are visualized from stats, given data. Uh, Everything's gone well. This is bar graph for a profit gained by every region with the shipment modes. And we have taken class tabs for nice analyzation and a strip plot for region sales. So we are here noticing that South region takes a maximum sale and East region takes minimal sales. This is a statewide total number of stores for each state. This is conclusion. Hence, we are concluding from all of the data analysis. See, to explain everything, it takes a huge time, but I want to conclude it in a very short time. See, there are total 49 states in USA country which are containing superstore branches in them. So the superstore branches located in 27 states are having less than 100 superstore branches in that states, and more maximum 17 states are having less than 50 store branches too. So we have to improve them. There are, if we see on California, New York, Texas, in them there are almost maximum huge branches are there comparing to these states. There are more than 500,000 branches are located in that states. That's why they are getting more profit. When we compare to these states are having very less superstore branches and less sales. So we have to work on it, and we have to do arrange many branches as many as possible to get more profit. And I conclude that these states are weak states, and states like Oregon, Florida, Arizona, Tennessee, Colorado, North Carolina, Illinois, and Pennsylvania, Ohio, Texas are huge downfall of loss because of unbalanced discounts and sales, because they are not doing well on giving discount sales, giving huge and getting lost. That's the reason. And other things in North Dakota, West Virginia, Maine, South Dakota, Wyoming are having less than 2,000 US dollar total sales. These are least sales from all over the country superstore market. And noticing a graph that Pennsylvania, Washington, Texas, New York, California are having more than 100,000 US dollars total sales from superstore branch markets all over the country. These states are doing amazing work in superstore market branch. These are the states doing well. And if we come to categories, furniture, doing furniture category are most sold item, and vendors under office supplies category doing not well. They are getting majority of losses. Superstore is advised to improve on the promotional strategies for these as well as reduce overall discounts. When we come to subcategory products which are doing well to get profit, or copiers, accessories, phones, envelopes, papers are doing well. They are much profitable items. So I'm advising that use these more type of subcategory items for a superstore retail market business. This is my conclusion. Thank you.